In this video, I will show you how to create a portfolio in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on canva.com. Now from the homepage, what you're going to want to do is come to the search box here, and you just want to go ahead and type portfolio, and then just go ahead and press enter. So what it's going to do is load up some portfolio templates, and what you can do is choose the one that you like the look of. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this minimal portfolio here. Once you've clicked onto it, you're going to get a screen like this, and all you want to do is click the purple customize this template button. So now we're in the actual customization screen, and what we can do is go ahead and start creating our portfolio. So for this template, there's actually 13 pages. There's different pages, as you can see. So what you can do is choose to apply all 13 pages or just some select pages from the portfolio template. In this example, I'm just going to click the button to apply all 13 pages, and you will notice at the bottom that it's going to go ahead and apply all 13 of these pages. So now what you can do is click onto each page and start creating your portfolio. So you can change things like the text on it, for example. So I'm just going to call this my portfolio. And you can do things like add images from the toolbar on the left hand side. So you can come into the elements tab and you've got different images. You can search for different elements using the search box as well. So let's just go ahead and search for a smiley face, and what I'm going to do is just add this to my image. All your images can be resized and repositioned anywhere you please on the design. So all you want to do is go through and create your portfolio, and once you've done one page, you would just come down to this bar at the bottom and you would just go on to page 2, and then you would just continue the process. So I'm just going to call this one introduction. For the text, you can do things like, of course, change the text as well. So once you clicked onto the text, you're going to see a toolbar at the top. We can do things like change the format to bold or not. You can change the size of the text. You can also change the font over here. And of course, add images. Now, if you want to add any of your own images or text, if you come to the toolbar on the left-hand side, there's actually an upload button here. So you can click onto this. And what you can do is click onto the purple upload files if you want to add your own images or videos or audio. So say, for example, I wanted to add this image that I've uploaded, I would just simply upload it first, click onto the image, and it's going to add it to my design. And again, we can go ahead and customize this design. We can make it smaller or bigger, move it wherever we want onto the page, just like this. And then you would just continue through the process. So basically, that is a quick overview on how to create a portfolio in Canva. Once you're happy with your design, what you can do is come up to the top right hand corner. You've got a share button up here. And if you go ahead and click onto this button, you're going to see an option to download. So what you can do is actually download this, and you can choose the file type. So at the moment it's in a PDF standard, but if you click onto this drop down box, you can change this to like a PowerPoint presentation or a JPEG format or PDF print. And then once you've done that, just click the purple download button to go ahead and download your portfolio. So as you can see, that's currently downloading. Just takes a minute or two to do this. And once that's downloaded, it's downloaded in a PDF format. So I can just go ahead and click onto this. And as you can see, here is our portfolio, just an example that I've created. So that is how to go ahead and create a portfolio in Canva. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.